up, Answer Squad? It is your boy James here.
Hey everybody, it is your girl Melissa,
and we are the Answers Uncut.
I'm super excited about today's episode. And before we even get into the details, I want you guys to stop what you're doing and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Subscribe.
And if you're already subscribed to our channel, thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate you. So if you are in a place where you're looking for fun, financial hacks, fitness, blogging, entertainment, maybe you have a YouTube channel, you're trying to grow that, you are in the right place.
Tune in.
And in today's episode, we're actually gonna be taking you to our kitchen. We're gonna be cooking some meals for you. And that's because in our last episode, we discussed so many different benefits on meal prepping, because that's a part of our lifestyle. So we got so many interest DMs, people commenting, asking us, hey, show us. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today.
Exactly what we're gonna do.
We are gonna show you how to meal prep for $20 a week. And if you're a couple like us, $40 a week.
Now guys, it usually costs us a little bit more than this, but honestly, we're trying to bring it down to the most cost effective as possible.
Definitely.
And ultimately, guys, meal prepping is a lifestyle. And what we're gonna show you guys is how we kind of get down in our routines when it comes to meal prepping. So stay tuned, guys.
You guys are in our element. This is our kitchen. This is where the magic happens.
The real magic, guys. The real magic.
The real magic. The real magic doesn't happen upstairs.
It happens upstairs too.
Okay, we are married now. It's okay. It's okay. But yes, you guys are in our kitchen, and we're just gonna let you guys know, like we said before, $20 for one person, but $40 for us, and we're gonna show you how you can get away with breakfast, different variations, lunch, and 2 options for dinner, which is really amazing. And just to show you guys a summary, it's so many fresh fruits. Like we have fresh fruits, fresh veggies, fresh peppers, carrots, peas, lentils, onions. So we're gonna get a close-up soon.
So before we get into it, guys, a lot of people say it's expensive to eat healthy, and honestly, it's not.
It isn't.
It's really not once you start meal prepping. And we're gonna get a close-up into actually what we had purchased. We purchased these from a couple different grocery stores. So we'll tell you what we have. We'll tell you guys what kind of meals. We're gonna show you guys what we prepare. And this is just our daily habit. This is our lifestyle, guys. So I'm really big into fitness. I am a fitness coach. I'm an expert when it comes to building lean muscle mass and being able to just develop a body that you're confident in. And one thing I specialize in, I tell all my clients, is you cannot out-train a bad diet. And really, that's where it starts, in the kitchen. People that want to get abs, that want to stay lean and build muscle, it all starts with what you're feeding and putting into your body. And we're going to break it down, guys, because today we're actually going to try a little bit more of a vegan option here. So stay tuned.
So just to show you our amazing lineup for today. Baby, you gotta show the food. Why are you looking at me?
Because you're so beautiful. I just got stuff on your face.
Okay, thank you, baby. I love you. But you have to show them the
white teeth.
You have to show them the food.
Okay.
All right, so we got bananas here. Baby, if you don't show them the food, I will beat you up. All right, guys. So we have bananas here. Everybody knows these are like 49 cents a pound at Kroger, so you could get 2 pounds for literally less than $1. Of course, you have your dozen of eggs, which you can find at a lot of places for only $1 as well. We prefer the brown, but you can go to Aldi's and get the white for like 89 cents. This right here is going to be the basis for a lot of our meals, which is going to be the most expensive thing, which is going to be a protein base.
Vegan meat.
Exactly. 20 grams of protein.
20 grams of protein.
I knew he was going to point that out.
Yeah, because you have to get your protein, guys. You know, as being somebody that's in the fitness industry, I understand when it comes to your macronutrients and making sure that you're getting enough protein. So you can see here we have protein in our eggs and our vegan meat. But I'll let you take it away.
Absolutely. And then right here, this of course this is not a meat, but
It's not a meat.
It's not a meat or anything, but these are gonna be our meal prep containers. So I just wanted to let you guys know that you guys can get these off of Amazon. You guys can get them from Walmart. Baby, why are you so close? Why are you so silly? But yeah, so these are gonna be the key. So, and then we also have avocados. These were actually on sale for like 50 cents a piece. So
super
we
cheap.
got two. Exactly.
Super healthy too.
Exactly. And please remember, we are feeding 2, so you can get half of these items for $20. So we got tons of broccoli here, which is on sale for $1.29 a pound. And then we have cucumbers. We love cucumbers for juicing, not only for juicing, but we love having it on the side in the mornings with our eggs. So that's literally 59 cents a pound. I mean 59 cents each, pardon me. Zucchini. We're gonna actually make this with one of our dinner meals, which is gonna be a vegan shepherd's pie with tons of veggies. And this literally was about 81 cents. So
Why
super
do the
green.
cucumbers and the zucchini look,
baby, because they
look like cousins.
They
Right?
They're cousins. They cousins. And then we have our onion. Oh my God, I don't know about you guys, but we absolutely love cooking with onions, and we love cooking with sweet onions specifically. So we literally have one. They're about maybe, I want to say maybe 80 cents a pound or whatever the case may be. So if you get one, it's literally probably a couple cents. Lentils. This is super fun. This whole pack was maybe what? How much you pay for this, baby?
It's like $1.20.
Yeah, $1.20, and we're not even gonna use the entire pack.
Yeah.
So super awesome.
And one thing about lentils, if for the vegans and the vegetarians that are out there that are like, oh, I can't get any protein, lentils are a very good source of protein, guys. You gotta check the facts back here. You can see here it's 9 grams of protein per serving, which is a good amount for something that's kind of like a bean almost.
Yes, absolutely. Then we have our potato, our red potato. It looks a little brown, but and these potatoes are literally, they're normally maybe like 50 cents a pound or 80 cents a pound, but literally three of them are gonna be about a pound. So literally that's probably maybe $1.50 worth of potatoes. You have your corn, which is 50 cents, our beans, which we actually got on sale, which is amazing, but you can get any beans as long as they're like $2 or whatever the case may be. We have peas, and we also have bell peppers. These are my favorite. Oh my God, we're gonna make some stuffed bell peppers with those. These are literally 3 for $3.99.
That's right. And you got your oatmeal too.
Definitely.
Oatmeal is a great source of carbohydrates, a great source of fiber. So definitely, guys, we're including that in there because breakfast is gonna be lit. All right, guys, so we have our one little egg here. This is just for demonstration purposes, guys. And usually we will have a little bit more eggs, but this is a perfectly balanced breakfast right here. You know, of course you can add like the oatmeal to your breakfast, but we have here cucumbers, avocado, and a delicious sunny side up egg here. So guys, really simple, really easy to make. This is a great breakfast option, which literally costs cents, not even $1 here.
All right, guys, we have another breakfast variation. This is gonna be strawberries and cream oatmeal with a few blueberries on top. Now, we did find blueberries in our refrigerator, so we just added them on top, but please do know you can add bananas on top, granola, or just any little extra deliciousness you have lying around.
So we have our chili here. This is the grounded vegan beef we have added with the baked beans. We got some corn in here, some tomatoes. You know, we put a little bit of sour cream on the top, guys, and some green onions. But really, this right here is a very delicious protein-packed vegan meal. So what do we have here? We have our fajita with our ground vegan beef, peas in there. You know, we have the whole nine. And then we have some fajita lentils. Now we're adding some roasted bell peppers to top it off.
You said fajita lentils?
All right, guys, so we have the final product here. Our bell peppers, which are stuffed with vegan ground beef. Guys, this thing was cooked and seared to perfection.
It really was.
Thrown back into the oven.
Absolutely. And what I have here is actually a Parmesan crust. I actually found some ranch and some Parmesan cheese, so I just added that as a topping.
So let's move on to the next option here. We have our fresh broccoli. And what is this, babe? What is this?
This is gonna be your shepherd's pie. So we have mashed potatoes at the bottom, and we have the vegan protein mixed with zucchini, sweet peas, and carrots, sauteed carrots.
Delicious.
And I added a topping of gravy on there too.
Ooh, so I see that gravy.
Wetness.
Oh, what do we have here?
And now for another fun option. So we use the same vegan protein and we added some fajita lentils in addition to some seared peppers. So now we have our little fajita, which looks super cute, and just a side of ranch. Hey, can't forget the dab of ranch.
All right, guys, so we are finished. We are done meal prepping, guys. How long did you think that took us?
It probably took us like 3 hours.
3
or
hours.
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours.
And that's only because we were recording in between. If we were in our natural groove of meal prepping, we'd probably be done in like 2.
Yeah, 2 max. So guys, 2 hours out of the whole week. We prepped for the entire week. Of course, these are just samples of the meals that we made.
Yes.
And we're about to taste some of this stuff, yo. This stuff looks so delicious. So
the first thing I'm gonna do, and like he said, we're just gonna taste it. It's gonna be the lentil fajita, which is amazing. Oh my god.
Y'all. That fajita?
And it's green because it's a spinach wrap.
It's a spinach wrap fajita.
So good. We gonna bust that after we get done with
yo, guys.
The peppers.
The peppers. As soon as you said it, I just tasted like a burst of it.
So, again, meal prepping does not have to be expensive. Eating fresh and healthy doesn't have to be expensive. Literally, we're eating everything and there's no meat.
There's no meat. Now, you can do this with lean beef as well.
Definitely.
If you want to, you can do it with lean turkey. Whatever works best for you. I gotta taste some of that.
So, and the thing about it is it doesn't have to get boring. I can literally eat that for lunch, this for dinner. This for lunch, this for dinner. And switch it up.
Switch it up. We can mix it up each week. And just try something different. You know, like I was saying earlier, you know, just finding what works best for you, trying different recipes, and just making it as simple as possible. At the end of the day, that's what it's about. Convenience and efficiency. I'm gonna get my own for it.
Yeah,
All right, let's see what this is. God.
Oh my, it's so crazy because it's like, you would literally think like, oh, a burger here, chicken sandwich here, salad here. Like you said, salads cost like $8. You go to Kroger and get a big thing of mixed greens and spinach and kale. It's like $5.99, which can last you the entire week.
Each one of these meals, like these meals that we've cooked, like are literally like pennies on the dollar compared to, you know, how much you get charged at, you know, a fast food restaurant or, you know, just going out to eat. And you know exactly what you're putting in the food. So that's one thing as well. You're having control as to what you are cooking. And you know exactly that, hey, I don't have too much fat in here. I don't have too much oil. I don't have too much grease. All these things that are causing diseases. So how is that? That is good.
And like I said, I put ranch in the Parmesan cheese to make it a nice Parmesan crust.
That is good.
All right, guys, we gotta get out of here.
Yo, and each one, it's crazy because each one of these ground beefs, even though it was the same product, all tastes really different.
And who did that?
I put that on my babe, man. You really hooked that up, like just using different flavors for each one of these meals. That way it just didn't taste the same.
Definitely.
Guys, get with it, or you know, spend a lot more money. That's just really what it is. And at the end of the day, guys, these are things that you can do and, you know, create that lifestyle of health, create that lifestyle
of convenience.
Yeah. Efficiency. So guys, appreciate you guys for tuning in.
Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button.
Drop a comment below.
That's right. Turn on your post notifications for when we drop next content. So appreciate you guys for tuning in, and we are the Answers on.
Yeah, boy.
Your peanut head. Go get your peanut. Fajita lentils. So we put fajita seasoning inside the lentils.
We sure did.
And we have our Taco Supreme. Taco Fajita Supreme.